Hi friends, how are you guys doing today? Come with me, let's make this simple and delicious soup, okay? So I got this fish and here the seller was cutting it. So in a jiffy, I've gotten home, I've prepped all my ingredients. The soup is simple but delicious. So I'll be showing you how I made it. So here I'm going to be adding my fish to my pot. Added the stock fish, the onions, salt, and seasoned with my seasoning cube. So I'm going to put that on heat to boil. So I added pepper and I give it a good stir to combine well. And I'll be adding little water so it can help it boil. Now I've put that on heat and our fish is done, so I have to separate the fish from the stock fish, okay? So I kept the fish aside, added oil to my pot and added half of my okra to stir fry it, okay? And I just added a little more oil, red oil, okay? So here what I was doing is to fry the okra. This will help it to bring out its drawing nature, okay? And I've added the other ingredients like onion, the other part of the okra, ugba, added water, and I've tested for seasoning. Here I adjusted with salt and seasoning cube, and I've allowed that to boil. Then I've gone in with my pumpkin leaf and gave it a good stir. So now I added my boiled fish that I removed earlier because I didn't want it to scatter, and our fish soup is ready, okay? It's simple, quick, and it tasted amazing. So I was dishing the soup so I can enjoy. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, if you have not followed our page, I don't know what you're waiting for at this point. Please do so and be a part of this family. Hit the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever we post new videos like this. Like, comment, and share. And see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye bye. You're very lucky.